Disney tribe. I'm here at Lihu River today, and later on I'm gonna be visiting Lihu Scenic Spot, Park and Garden. So unfortunately Diego is busy today, so I'm by myself, but I have you guys to come with me. Let's do it. Basically guys, we are around here right now. Now I'm gonna go all the way until this part, and then right here we have the park. So guys, here there is 4 little wooden tree houses, and each one of them is unique. It's just the most adorable thing ever. It's not your fault.
If you need more information about Wuxi and its attractions, don't forget to check the link to our blog. Thanks for watching and keep tuned for the next videos.